Okay guys, so these are all of our frog jump capital letters that we have been working with. So we're going to practice them each one more time, and then we're going to play this game where I'm going to give you a random letter selected from our top row, and you are going to practice writing it on the bottom. Okay, so I want you guys to take a minute or so and go ahead and trace the letters on the top row, and then go ahead and write them in the box below with me. Remember, when we're doing our frog jump capital letters, that's our little phrase to remember to jump back up to our starting point to finish off our letter. So each one of our letters starts with one solid line down, and then we jump back up to the top, and we finish it with either a big curve or a little curve, or big lines or little lines. Alright, so I hope you guys had enough time to go ahead and trace and practice all of your letters. Now we're going to go ahead and get started down here at the bottom. And I'm going to give you a letter for the top, and I want you to practice it twice. We're going to practice it together in the box above, and then I would like you to go ahead and practice writing it by yourself. And it's going to be one of the letters that you see above, but they're going to be random. So they're not going to be in the same order that we see them now or that we practice them in. Let's go ahead and start with the letter B. Okay, we start at our circle at the top and draw one big line down, and then we have a little curve into the middle and then another little curve into the bottom. Next, let's practice the letter N. So start up here at the top, one line down, then a big diagonal line across, keep your pencil down, and then one big diagonal line up. And then I want you to practice it on your own. Now let's do the letter R. One big line down, a little curve, keep your pencil down, and then a small diagonal line. We're going to do a D now. So big line at the top, and then a big giant curve. And let's do an E. Big line at the top, start all the way down, jump back up to the top, do our line across, come back down about halfway, another line, and then all the way at the bottom. The letter F, very similar to the letter E, big line down, one line across, and one line across in the middle, no line at the bottom. Let's go ahead and do an M now. Start at the top, draw one big line down, diagonal line down, diagonal line up, and then one solid line down. Let's see, what letters have we not done yet? Let's do a P. We have our big line down and just a little curve on the top, almost like our B that you see over here that we started with. And let's see, what is our last letter that we have not done yet? Okay, so we did our F and our E, we did our D, we did P, we did B, we did R, we did N, and we did M. Oh, I figured it out. There are 9 boxes on the bottom, and we only had 8 letters. So we are done. Thank you guys so much.